Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of going out on Discord. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem or the issue of going out on Discord app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of Discord. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. After that you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your or can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.